If I hadn't gone through clearing right now, I think I would have been quite lost. I wouldn't have known what to do. It's given me a good sense of direction on where I want to be in the future. I was interested in studying accounting because I've always had a keen interest in working with numbers. While trying to decide between going to college and going to university, my acceptance had already expired. I decided eventually that I didn't really want to go to college. In mid-August, I decided to apply through clearing, and I thought I'll see if there's still a place available. I decided on USW. I looked up the clearing line phone number. I rang them up. I asked if there was any places available. They came back to me within a few minutes. They're incredibly friendly. All they needed from me was proof of my qualifications. I sent that over email to them, and within 10 minutes I'd already had an acceptance letter. My advice to anyone applying directly through clearing is don't be nervous. Once you do it, you'll look back in the future and realise it was one of the best decisions you could make. My plans changed for the better through coming here by meeting some incredible people, enjoying the great course and the campus. It's just been an amazing experience.